Hello everyone, Camille here from Morfosoaps. Thanks for joining me with this very special video. So today's video is special because we're doing a collab. There's a group of other soap makers and we are all doing a collaboration around the same theme. So we should use, the theme is birthstones or gemstones. So for me, I selected to go with a design that is blue and white, and I'm using a blue agate crystal, and these are real blue agate crystals that I'll be adding on top of the soap. If you've seen in December the series of soaps that I did with aventurine, agate, and then rose quartz and the amethyst, so this is a similar design. So I have here my batters. There's two portions. One is the one that will be in the mold, and then this small portion here will go for the piping. So this one I'll put it on the side. It has already the titanium dioxide inside because it's white piping. And it has the same oils and butters. So we have the coconut oil, cocoa butter, shea butter, castor oil, olive oil. We have also the additives. So we have some coconut milk and colloidal oatmeal. And then we have aloe vera juice and kaolin clay. I measured the fragrance here for the whole batch. You know what, before moving this one, you can eyeball just a little bit for the piping and keep it on the side. This is the fragrance I'm using, Black Pepper by Crafter's Choice. It smells really nice. I hope it behaves well. It's the first time I'm trying it, so I got only a small bottle to try it, and it smells really, really nice. You can see, you can sense the black pepper, but it's more floral. So, and for the colors that I'm using inside this portion will be divided into two. One will be with the white and the other one with the blue cobalt pigment. So I'll set them on the side here. And let's start by mixing the big portion. Stop. I need to grab a small pitcher, just give me a second. And of course the mold. So into the small pitcher, I wouldn't say half of it, but I don't know. Like, as you can see, I really do not measure this unless I'm going with a design that requires really high level of detail. So then I would measure them. So I'll do this one with the blue. It here, and then for this one, putting the white. And of course, after everything is mixed up for those, I'll add the fragrance last, because as I said, I don't want any surprises with the fragrance. So I will stick blend a little bit because for the titanium dioxide and also for the pigment. That's why in the beginning I don't stick blend much, because if you, I don't know if you can see it, there is a lot of specks in this one, so it really needs to be stick blended. This one I'll put it on the side. It's kind of thickened. I believe it's because of the pigment that I used. Because you see, even with titanium dioxide, this is more fluid than this. It's a thicker trace. A moment of truth. Let's do this. Okay. I will not stick blend the fragrance in because, as I said, I don't know how it behaves. Although if you go to Crafter's Choice or Wholesale Surplus Plus, they do mention if it accelerates or not, but I find that this can be different based on your recipe. Some fragrances that accelerated my batter, but other soapers use them without any problem. Now I'm looking at the batter, I'm looking at this one that is fluid and this one that is thicker. I'm thinking, you know what, I'll do just an in the pot swirl. I don't want to do drop swirls. You know what? No. I will do like a very, because it looks like it's fluid, so I will be doing many runs like this without hanger swirl. Just in the middle, I'm running each color 2 times. Okay, I'm messing up a little bit by dropping it. I think I'll keep it just simple, like I did in the beginning. One run and second run, both of them light, slow. Yes. Then. Well, I really appreciate the fragrance oil. It behaved really well. I'm still going on with my design. Now it started to thicken a little bit, but we're almost done. I think that's the last time, and then I'll scrape everything. You know what, let me just put in everything what's left because there's no more blue. So we'll scrape it. Yeah, but for this one, please guys, go and check those soapers. I'll leave all the details in the description box for the collab. Check them out, subscribe to their channel and show your support. We are all one community. We all have the same objective, is to reduce harsh chemicals and go more with natural handmade soaps. So this one is done. I'll keep it on the side to settle a little bit, and then I'll mix. I'll be back. I need to mix my piping portion and then pipe the top and add those crystals. Oh, I was trying to find, I changed the piping tip. I'm using this tip. Yeah, this is showing. Okay, so this one was, you see it's thick. It's thick and nice, but we will not pour it right now into the piping bag. It requires at least, I would say, 5 minutes, 5 good minutes. With piping, it's very interesting because sometimes you would expect that this will take another 5 minutes, and then 2 minutes later it starts to thicken. So also I learned the hard way. It's similar to hot process soap. If you watch hot process soap video making, if you leave it out of sight, you might come and see the soap everywhere due to the volcano phase. So I'll keep stirring this one until I know that when you do like this, it doesn't run as fluid from the spatula. It stays. So that's when I will put it in the piping bag, and I'll pipe the top of the soap, and then we will be adding our crystals. So I'll bring everything here, and I'll bring you back when we are ready to pipe. So yeah, now that we have the piping bag ready, yes, it's better. So I'll just scrape everything out, and I'll start the piping process. So there we go. And then we'll go ahead and add the crystals. I will take off one of the gloves, well, both of them. I'm not dealing with lye anymore. Should be okay. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, our blue agate soap made, ready. I'll see you again tomorrow with the cut. Hello folks, so this is the next day. We will cut the blue agate soap. See how this swirls inside. I'm so excited to see how it's gonna look inside. And let's open up the cutter. Now I need to make sure that it's lined up in between the crystals. Okay, this looks nice. And here we go. Let's take a look. The inside. Turned out really pretty. Look at those swirls. Love it. And this will go on the curing rack for 6 weeks. Again guys, don't forget to check the description box more about the collab. Support the other soapers, show them some love, subscribe to their channel, watch what they created. And thank you again for watching. I'll see you again next week with another soap making video. Until then, take care of yourself, stay positive, keep smiling, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.